Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Germany and this is Priya. It's been a while I was out of YouTube due to personal reason. Hope you guys are doing well. April is just around the corner and you know what that means. New changes, new rules and lot to keep up with that. Whether you're a driver, a traveler, a parent, some important updates are coming your way. So let's dive into everything new this April. If you are new to this channel, I make videos about rules and regulations about Germany. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are ready, come let's get started. This video is sponsored by our partner. As you already know, the European Central Bank is reducing the interest rate drastically. So if you want to get a personal loan or housing loan, you can also fill a form and our consultant will get in touch with you. Or if you want to also refinance it, this is the right option to grab it up. The link for the appointment and form is given in the description. Well, the first update is about the Digital Vehicle Registration Pilot Project. Digitalization in road traffic is progressing. In the future, there will be a driver license app that will allow drivers to carry their driving license digitally on their smartphone. The digital driver license is intended to serve as official proof of identity during traffic checks, which means the traditional plastic cards is not required to carry with you. The drivers should be able to store their driver's license digitally in the app. So, starting in April, a pilot project is launching to digitalize vehicle registration documents. An initial pilot phase for digital vehicle registration document is scheduled to begin in April. Thanks to the so-called i-KFZ app, testers will then be able to avoid carrying the original vehicle registration document with them. So this is the very good move from our government. So coming to the next update, new driving theory test questions. Are you the one who is planning to get your driving license soon? Starting April 1st, the theoretical driving test is getting updated with new and revised questions. There are new topics on the right-hand turns, intersection and even driver assistance system. Plus, multiple choice questions with images are being introduced. If you're preparing, so make sure to check the latest update in your driving school app and good luck for your exams. Coming to the next update, Parental Allowance Changes. Parents, this one is for you. If your child is born on or after April 1st, the rules for Elton Geld, which is parental allowance, are changing. From now on, only single parents and couples with taxable income of up to 1,75,000 euros will be eligible. So, if you are expecting, it's crucial to check if these new rules apply to you. According to the Federal Ministry for Family Affairs, this corresponds to approximately 2,07,000 euros gross amount for employed person, as deductions include pension expenses and individual allowance. If you're not sure about this, you can also book an appointment with our tax consultant, the link given in the description. He will help you out and explain you in detail. Next update is about the speed camera marathon. Attention drivers, the speed camera marathon is making a comeback in April. That means extra speed traps and increased monitorings on roads. If you love pressing the accelerator a little too much, now is the time to ease up or risk getting a hefty fine. Which federal states in Germany will participate is not yet entirely clear. In previous year, this was decided about a week in advance. However, it has always been majority of the federal state. So be aware of your speed limit while driving. Coming to the next update, electronic travel authorization for the UK. Planning a trip to the UK starting April 2nd, 2025, travelers from visa-free countries including EU states and Switzerland, you will need to present not only your passport but also an electronic travel authorization. It costs £10, it's about €11.93 and is valid for 2 years. But hurry up! The price is expected to go up to €19 soon. The application is digital, requiring security questions and address and facial photos. So if you travel often to UK, it's best to get this sorted in advance. Next update is about the electronic patient record. The electronic patient record EPA has been in testing since January 15, 2025 in 3 regions with 300 practices. In the mid of March, the digital agency will access its stability with for national-wide rollout, possibly by April. The EPA will store health data like X-rays and lab results, improving document exchange between doctors and pharmacists. Unless they opt out, all public health insurance patients will receive it. So please make sure, and if you didn't get it, contact your health insurance provider. These are the very important changes coming in the month of April. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in yet another interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya.